My name is Desiree Jackson, and I have chosen to do my how-to lesson on diabetes. However, diabetes does play a very important role in my life, being that I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes years ago. So I would like to share my knowledge and experiences along with my key points on how to manage diabetes. I included 3 key points on my website on how to manage diabetes, and education being the first key point. There are 3 main types of diabetes, and they are type 1, which means the body does not make insulin. Type 2, the body does not make insulin or use it very well. And gestational diabetes is only when pregnant women develop it when they are pregnant, but there is very few women who develop it. The second key point that I included in my website is knowing the ABCs. And the ABCs represent the A1C test. And the A1C test is a blood test that measures the average blood sugar level in a 3-month period of time. And it is very much different when you check blood sugar every day. So the numbers will vary. B is for the blood pressure, and the blood pressure is a force of your blood against the wall of the blood vessels. And the C is for cholesterol. And we have 2 types of cholesterols. LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, and HDL, which is the good cholesterol. And that helps remove the bad cholesterol from the blood vessels. And this is a picture showing the ABCs. And for a person that has diabetes, they like for our percentage of glucose, which is the A1C, that is taken over 3 months a period of time, to be less than 7%. And they would like for the blood pressure to be less than 140/90, and the cholesterol to be less than 100 milligrams. Even though the goals do vary from person to person, depending on their condition. My third key point is living with diabetes. Everybody doesn't cope with diabetes very well, especially when you're first diagnosed. It is very stressful to accommodate your lifestyle and change your lifestyle once you've been accustomed to it for a long period of time. So very well, it may take a person quite a while to adjust with having diabetes. And along while coping with it, you have to cope with the stress. And stress can lead to high blood sugar. Of course, you have to eat well. Eat foods that are low in calories, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. And instead of drinking juice or soda, you can drink water. And you also can use sugar-free drinks, which will not spike your sugar so high as it will with the juice or soda, because it has so much sugar in it. And next to coping with it is to being active. As long as a person stays active while having diabetes, there's a percent of chance that the diabetes can be lower. Well, the A1C can be lower. And getting a good amount of exercise each day is good. A visitor would engage in my lesson as educational information. And if an individual is struggling on how to manage diabetes when first diagnosed and throughout their life, they can refer to my website to help manage their diabetes. I have placed my information in chronological order, being that I put the information first and then I included my pictures to reference on what I am saying in my information. So it goes right along with what I'm saying, such as the picture of the ABCs. There's actually a visual presentation of it.